Welcome to part 4. In this part we are going to learn about semantic tags. A word semantic stands for meaningful words. Like if you want to create a basic web structure, so you can use the meaningful word like semantics. Like if you want to create a header, so you can use the header tag. For creating navigation, you can use the nav tag. Section tag for creating section and blocks. Tag for creating article related things like post. A side tag for creating sidebar, and in last, footer tag for creating footer and credits. So let's create the basic web structure through this all semantic tags. Now in this part we are going to create a simple web structure through semantic tags. So before starting, I want to show you a shortcut code in Visual Studio Code for basic HTML5 structure. Like now you don't need to write the basic HTML structure again and again. Just you need to write here the HTML5 like this and click on that, and then you will get the ready-made HTML5 structure with updated meta tags. Now you are thinking, what is meta tags? Meta tags is basically a metadata of a web page or website. It will not be displayed on your website or web pages, but it will work on the backend side of machines and algorithms like in search engine or optimization SEO. That's another part. So let's start to create the web structure according to this image. So according to this image, we first need the header structure. So let's create the header by writing the header tag. Inside header tag, let's put some elements like heading and paragraph. Now below header, we need a navigation structure. So let's create a nav tag. Inside nav tag, let's give some links. Now below navigation tag, we need section, article and a site tags. Inside section tag, let's put it here an image tag. And let's try the marquee tag. Marquee tag will flow your text in your desired direction. Like if you want to flow your text in from left to right, so you will write here left, and between marquee tag you will write your text. Like here I am writing, it's an apple daily. the article tag. Here I will use the H2 heading. Below H2 heading, put the paragraph tag. Now we need a site tag. Let's put it here, the unordered and ordered list. Now we need a footer in the end of this web structure. So let's add the footer tag like this, and inside footer tag we will add our credits like now let's save the file and refresh the browser. As you can see here, the basic web structure through semantic tags. Now if you want to check is view page source, like the main coding behind this web page, so simply press the Ctrl plus U keys and you will be landed on the view page source web page, where you will get the all backend coding like this. You can try this on any website. Like here I am implementing this short key on Forbes website, like press Ctrl plus U. And now here you can see the backend coding of Forbes website. So that's an end part of this series. I hope you like it. Now I will continue later parts of HTML5 in our upcoming course, which will be CSS3. So due to CSS, I have skipped some parts of HTML5 like tables and div blocks and so on, that will be covered up in CSS3 soon. So take care and goodbye.